Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm sharing with you lots of beautiful ideas related to nail art designs. Today's video is beautiful because I have shared lots of different type of nail art designs. These are the latest and beautiful nail art designs. Hope so you will enjoy it and like these ideas, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. And also visit on my channel once for much more ideas. I have shared a lots of beautiful different type of nail art designs. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist that I have shared with different ideas named. Like for much more nail ideas, I have shared a huge collection of nail art designs, different type of nail art like summer nail art designs, winter nail art designs, autumn nail art designs, and occasional nail art designs. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist that I have shared with the name of ideas like nail art designs. So friends, hope so you enjoyed my today's video. If you like these ideas, then hit the like button. Today's video is related to nail art designs. Amazing ideas, latest designs are shared. So friends, don't forget to tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. Hope so you enjoyed and liked my today's video. Now let me say to take care friends. Bye bye.